Hello, my name is Reverend Trent Thornley, and I'm one of the presenters at the IEA Global Conference this summer. And I'm really excited to be sharing my seminar, which is going to be the Enneagram of the 9 Gifts of the Spirit. And the reason that's so important to me, both as a Buddhist leader and also as a Christian minister, is that the gifts of the Spirit can show us the higher sides of what the 9 types can live into. And I think in these days when we're looking for ways in which we can practice in community, we can also turn to those scripture passages that Paul gives us around the 9 gifts of the Spirit to see how they can all contribute to a communal understanding of the Enneagram. And so it's a way of using the ancient Christian texts to inspire us today to how to go forward with coming from presence and living into our gifts in community. So that's what's exciting me about that conference session, and I'm hoping that you'll join me and the other presenters at the IEA Global Conference from July 26th to the 28th in Oakland, California.